So here the both needs to be same line. Okay. So here the upper leg. Just see here. See, having the left side muscle pain means this should be up. The leg should be left side up. Okay. So this practices stretch the left side piriformis muscle as well as IT band. Same for right side. Okay. So if the person having the pain which side, that side leg should be upper. Clear? Actually, can you listen please? This is a normal person, no issue. But patient means you should think patient. So patient has the problem of piriformis muscles syndrome. So you can focus only for lower part. Hands no need. Don't go for hand movement everything. Okay. If you ask the person to do like that, they have the focus only for hands. You won't focus here. So in therapy point of view, just to modify the practice. Okay. According to the convenient patient condition, age, everything, just a thing, then modify. So here I am thinking, if you having the around 70 years old, difficult to perform like that. 70 years old, that one, this two is okay, possible. Around the 50, 60 below means they can do like that, possible. Arthritis means it is not possible. Osteoarthritis is not possible. Okay, clear? So you can choose that two practices. First one, second one. This is the third one, best practices for young age. Around 40 plus means, below 40 means you can do. No issue. Here you need to hold the hands like that. No need. Okay.